Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at how to promote Clickbank products for free. That's right, completely free, no ads, no BS. In this video I'm going to give you my top 5 ways to promote affiliate products in general for free. I personally use most of these ways, and if you stay until the end, I'm going to show you as number 5 the method that is just booming right now and you can get the fastest results with. Alright, so make sure you stay until the end. Now, before we get started, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I post new videos, and let me know in the comment section below after the video what do you think about it, what are your thoughts about it, and if you like the video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what is the number 1 way how to promote Clickbank products? So number 1 is going to be Instagram. That's right, Instagram. Now, Instagram, millions of people are on Instagram, millions of people are using Instagram, therefore audience is there, therefore there are your customers over there and they're just waiting for you to tap into them. Now, how do you do that? You post regularly content on Instagram. Okay, you build the following, you build your audience, and then they are going to reach out to you, they are going to get to your affiliate links. Now, how do you do that? You create your Instagram account if you don't have one. All right, you put in your bio your affiliate link or a link to your website or whatever you are using. Okay, and then you are going to create engaging posts and engaging content on a regular basis. Now, the key is to really be engaging and to really, have it consistently, okay? You can create posts, you can create stories, you can create, videos, whatever it is, you can create that on a consistent basis, and then people are going to reach out to you and they are going to get to know you, and you can sell and promote them products, okay? Guys, Instagram works 100%. There are millions of people that are really successful with Instagram, and you can be one of them as well. Now, what is the number 2? Number 2 way is going to be Facebook. All right. Now, Facebook is pretty much, I would say, the most popular social media. Okay, the most used one. All right. Facebook is the best way on Facebook is to do it with Facebook groups. Okay, so you either can create your own Facebook group. Okay, I'm going to just put it over here like groups. Okay, groups. Either you create your own Facebook group and you invite people into it, either from other groups. Okay, or you can just literally wait until they kind of like get into it. All right. Or you can leverage the power or leverage the other groups, other Facebook groups in your particular niche, and you can kind of like get to know people from other groups, be part of those groups and promote your products over there. The best way with Facebook is to actually be engaging message with people. Okay, Facebook is mostly about messaging. Okay, that's why it's so powerful, the messenger, so that's where you can really also sell high ticket products through messaging. Okay, that's where the high ticket sales are coming from. Okay, so that's Facebook. Again, very powerful way. Millions and millions of people are successful with Facebook, and I know personally people who literally build their affiliate marketing business on Facebook free traffic. Okay, so you can definitely do it as well. Number 3 is going to be my favorite one. It's YouTube. Okay, I personally love YouTube. Yes, I personally love YouTube. As you can see, I post quite regularly on YouTube, and the best way for YouTube is that you create the video and this video stays there for some time. You create video. I created this video, today, but it's going to stay on YouTube for years to come. Okay, you can watch this video, a year later, and it's still going to produce me the result. Okay, with YouTube, it's all about these kind of videos, just like this one. Okay, I know many people are scared of camera, okay, and you are shy in front of the camera. That's completely fine. You know, I was exactly the same. I was terrified of camera, but I encourage you to overcome this fear. It's just in your head, okay? You're going to get tremendous benefits from overcoming this fear, all right? And you're going to be really, really grateful for going through it, not only in your affiliate marketing business, but also in your personal life. Is going to give you self-confidence way more, all right? So YouTube, all about videos, all right? Now, number 4 is, probably you guessed it, it's Google, all right? Now, with Google, it's all about blogs, all right? Blogs, creating blogs and articles on your website or somewhere else. Key is, again, you need to like writing, okay? You need to actually be, you know, really, you need to really like writing. Otherwise, you're not going to be successful, because again, as with anything else, you need to be consistent with it, because you need to create blog posts on a daily basis, again, or by every other day or something like this. But really, consistency is key with this. You know, there are people who were, you know, posting blog posts literally every single day for a year, for 2 years, without seeing any results, and then on the 3rd year, on the 4th year, whatever it was, you know, their business just skyrocketed into millions per year, all right? So that's the power of Google. It's really powerful. You can really, you know, be very successful with Google blogs, but the most important thing is to be consistent with it, right? And now we are getting into the number 5. And as I said, this is going to be something special, and it is called TikTok. All right, TikTok. Now, why did I put TikTok as the number 5, as something really huge? It is because TikTok is just booming right now. All right, people, you know, love these short videos on TikTok, and it just, honestly, it is changing the way how social media marketing is going on, how content marketing is working, and you can take full advantage of that. All right, now with TikTok you can literally see the fastest results from all of these places, okay? TikTok is really the number 1 thing at the moment, okay? And don't be discouraged that, okay, maybe just some people who are dancing over there are on TikTok. That's not true. There are all sorts of people, including businesses, including affiliate marketers, including people who are promoting Clickbank products, and so can be you there, all right? Now, the one thing that I wanted to stress out with TikTok, and that's why it is number 5, and that's why I wanted you to stay until the end, is that not only you can succeed with TikTok, with these short videos on TikTok, actually what Instagram and YouTube is doing, they've seen the success of TikTok, so what they are doing, they want to emulate this success of TikTok on their platforms, so they created these short videos over there as well. Instagram has these Reels, right? Reels, and YouTube has so-called Shorts. What it is just different name for the TikTok short videos, right? Now, what they want to do is they want to emulate this success, so they want more and more people to create these short videos, and they want to actually encourage you to do that. So what they are doing, they are promoting people who are doing these short videos, right? That means that instead of, you know, your average views per video, you can get tons and tons of extra views. I'm talking about thousands of extra views, all right? Now, I'm using it on Instagram, I'm using it on YouTube as well. You can check it out. You can check my Instagram in the description below as well. You can see what I'm talking about. If you check my views, my plays on Instagram, it's just booming. You know, the normal ones with my low following, because I started just a few months ago. I have like normal reel has like plays maybe 50, 60. With Instagram, with that boost on that reel, I get thousands, literally thousands of views, right? And you can get following, you can get likes, you can get customers from it as well, right guys? So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get some aha moments. Now, the important thing that I want to really stress out is none of this is going to help you if you're not going to take action on it, all right? You need to take massive action on whatever we spoke about over here. Be consistent with it, and then you will see the results. Don't be like anybody else who just watches the video, takes some, you know, some thoughts about it, tries it for 1 day or two, and then just go back to your old routine. Stick with it. It works. You know, all of these things work. You can bet on that. You can literally be 100% sure it works. You just need to be consistent with it and you will see the results. All right, guys? Take massive action, be consistent, and see the results for yourself. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. And listen guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing, how to generate and how to create these kind of things, what to put into your social medias, so it is not just your affiliate link, spamming your affiliate link, but how to actually create a conversion model that really create those conversions and generate those profits on a consistent basis, then go ahead, grab my 4-day video series. It's completely free. You can get it in the description below, and I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. I will see you in the next videos, and by then, have a great rest of the days. Bye guys.